NSO, what the hell is NSO? Next step obsessed. I am not your boss, I'm not your grandma, and I'm not your mom, okay? So I realize that your boss is really interested in the pipeline and what's gonna close. I'm somewhat interested in that. I realize you guys get to be fixated on that because for most of us that deals with how we are making our money, okay? But what I would rather you be focused on is NSO, next step obsessed. If you are focused on what's going to happen next, eventually you'll hit pay dirt. If you focus on moving the rock up the field, eventually you will get a touchdown. Unfortunately, we focus way too much on closing and all we're doing is throwing 3 bombs as far down the field as we can, and then they're like, call me back after the first of the year. And we go into the locker room at halftime with 0 on the scoreboard, all right? So just remember that, guys. I want you to focus on progress. I want you to focus on moving deals forward. If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen, where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you can look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're gonna catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're going to see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.